time Sunday for portions of the listening area. Tonight, partly cloudy. Slight chance of thunderstorms this evening. Lows in the mid-70s. West winds 10 miles an hour this evening, becoming...
Oops.
Chance of precipitation 20%. Heat index values up to 101 early. Sunday, mostly sunny. Slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Hot with highs in the lower 90s. West winds 10 miles an hour in the morning, becoming 5 to 10 miles an hour in the afternoon. Chance of precipitation 40%. Heat index values up to 104. Sunday night, mostly cloudy. Chance of thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and heavy rainfall. Humid with lows in the upper 60s.
Okay.
Northwest winds 5 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 40%. Monday, mostly cloudy. Chance of thunderstorms in the morning and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and heavy rainfall. Not as warm with highs around 80. North winds 5 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 80%. Monday night, cloudy. Showers with chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Then
Where's my horse? Is
slight
my
chance of
phone?
thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and heavy rainfall in the evening. Lows in the mid-60s. North winds 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. Chance of showers and slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning. Highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 30%.
Focus.
Tuesday night,
Stupid
mostly
camera,
cloudy
focus.
in the evening, then becoming partly
There
cloudy.
we go. Focus.
Lows in the upper 50s. Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Wednesday night,
So,
mostly
excessive heat
clear.
warning just got issued for
Lows in
Union
the upper
County.
50s. Thursday, sunny. Highs around 80. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows around 60. Friday,
Supposed
sunny.
to go somewhere today.
Highs in the lower
So
80s.
I'm making these
Friday
videos
night,
today.
mostly clear. Lows in the lower 60s. Saturday, sunny. Slight chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-80s. Chance of precipitation 20%. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards for northwestern New Jersey and the nearby areas. Station KZZ 31 from Everett.
So KWO 35 is coming back soon, so I'll be connecting that next.
The current time is 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Here is the area weather summary. A ridge of high pressure will remain entrenched off the coast of the southeastern USL through Sunday. A cold front will approach in progress through the region Monday into Tuesday. A cooler and drier air mass will advance for the remainder of the week. It's 4 p.m. At Sussex Airport, it was fair. The temperature was 92 degrees, the dew point 76 degrees, and the relative humidity 58%, producing a heat index of 104. The wind was out at 6 miles an hour.
Okay, guys, I'll see you in the second part. Peace.